Hi, hon.
Hi.
The bird's at it again.
You remember that now?
You know, this is the fourth day.
Years later, I was
Aw.
working on a job back then, okay? So that night
It wants me up at 6:30.
came asking I had to say I saw her. Otherwise, my
6:30.
might split. And besides, Mr. Durst was so upset.
Grr.
And he seemed so convinced that she came that I just went with
It's
it.
funny.
But for real.
There it is again. Oh no. Hi, bird. Peekaboo.
Hi. Thanks for going here. Easy.
Mm. Okay, bird. Mm-hmm.
I want to feel so mean. Sometimes I can't feel anything over you.
4 days in a row. Okay.
Bobby? 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 Where's Igor? Bobby, did you come down with you? Bobby, what did you do then? Bobby! What did you do then? Bobby!
Look at that. This April, LMA.
Look at this place.
Danger is at the door. This is my
Open the door! Please stop!
new movies and rating for safe space every Thursday night.
You sure made this game fun.
I'm done with cycles forever.
Home is where the home is. Thursdays in April. On LMN.
Moen, fill Ruby's bottle.
What makes L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum loved by so many? Our highest concentration of pure hyaluronic acid. Wrinkles are less visible by up to 47%.
Validated by dermatologists.
Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum by L'Oreal.
Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara from Maybelline New York Flex Tower Brush. Stretches lashes root to tip for limitless length and volume. Our most viral mascara. Lash Sensational Sky High. And try new Sky High Tinted Primer.
Okay, bird.
I grew up an athlete. I rode horses. I really do take care of myself. I try to stay in shape. That's really important, especially as you age. I noticed after kids that my body totally changed. I started noticing a little pudge, so I took action.
Cool Sculpting targets, freezes, and eliminates treated fat for good. No needles, no incisions. Discuss Cool Sculpting with your provider. Some common side effects include temporary numbness, discomfort, and swelling. You've come this far. Cool Sculpting takes you further. Visit coolsculpting.com.
At Amica, we provide you with something more than auto, home, or life insurance. It's empathy.
I'm so glad you're okay.
Thank you.
Because at Amica, your coverage always comes with compassion.